Hello, my friends. I want to talk briefly about fear. First off, fear is debilitating. It's paralyzing to a point to where that when we fear the unknown to a level that we are uncomfortable with, it can stop us from moving forward with anything that we have on our agenda to do. Now, it is not bad to fear because fear is a tool that also keeps us safe. We have to be able to manage this fear in order to be able to accomplish what we need to do. When we set out on a venture to try something new, the unknown, it's the fear of failure that keeps us from trying. Who cares if we fail or not? I guess we do. But if we give up, that's where the issue is. It's not in failing that hurts. It's the inability to continue on after failing that matters. So if we allow this fear to paralyze us, we will never get the opportunity to know if we could succeed on the first try, or the second try, or the third try. If we allow this fear to stop us from starting on the quest to meet these goals, then, in my opinion, it's a total failure, and fear has won.